Moving is one of the most stressful experiences in life. The thought of packing and transporting to a new location can make you just want to go, ah! But fear not. I've got tips to make your move a breeze. Hey there, it's me, Stefan Burchard, the Desert Bowtie Realtor here in the Palm Springs region. I record and post content here about the greater Palm Springs region real estate market and the desert lifestyle because I believe that knowledge is power. Check back because I upload new content every other Wednesday. So back to those tips. First, check social media or online to see if anyone is giving away any moving supplies. You might be able to score some boxes, packing tape, and other materials for free! My favorite word. This is a great way to save money and reduce your environmental impact by reusing boxes. Second, vacuum pack your blankets, towels, and heavier weight clothing. This will save space and also protect your items from dust and moisture during the move. You'll be amazed at how much space you'll save with this trick. Just remember, this slims the item's bulk down, but it doesn't reduce the weight. So packing a box full of vacuum-packed bags might make it pretty heavy fast. Third, for your other clothes, roll them up and secure them with a rubber band before packing. This makes them more compact and easier to transport. You'll also avoid wrinkling your clothes, which saves you time on ironing, of course. Fourth, use colored labels to code room destinations. This is quicker than having to read where it goes. You just look at the color. You can also go old school and label them by writing on them, but that's boring. This will help you and your movers easily identify which boxes go where, making unpacking a breeze. You can use a different color for each room and maybe add color-coded stickers to indicate the level of priority for each box as well. You know, like unpack first is green or the highest priority. Fifth, when packing your kitchen items, wrap small items in bubble wrap or towels before securely packing them inside pots and lids. This will help prevent any damage during the move. You don't want any to arrive at your new home only to find that your favorite mug is shattered. I use my placemats, cloth napkins, and kitchen towels in this manner. It is a space saver. If you have a big kitchen, you may want to use bathroom towels as well. It saves on using plastic, and you know you're going to wash those things anyway when you get where you're going. Sixth, use foam padding or newsprint to safely stack your kitchenware before wrapping the whole stack in a towel. This provides extra protection for your fragile dishes and glasses. Seventh, for heavier items such as books and wrapped decorative items, put them in a suitcase with wheels. This makes it easier to move them around and less strenuous on your back. You can also use a rolling dolly for larger furniture items like a couch or a bed. Finally, label all your power cords and put them in one bag so they're easily accessible later. This is brilliant. I'd never heard of it. This saves you the annoyance of having to search through a pile of cords to find just the right one. You can label each cord with the name of the device it belongs to so you don't have to mix them up. Your move will be less stressful with these tips and you'll be settled into your new home in no time. Just remember, organization and preparation are key. Start planning early and give yourself enough time to pack everything properly, okay? Good luck with your move. Hey, please pass this on to a friend or family member who may be looking to buy or sell in the Palm Springs area. Now, watch this awesome video about beefing up your curb appeal. Bye! You can use a different color for each room and may... Springs region. I record and boring.